Hi, this is Logan from McAuliffe Hardware. Today I'm going to talk to you about our new Milwaukee M18 Flood Light that we just got into rent. Very simple and easy to operate. Battery snaps in just like this. You push this button right here, and there's different levels of intensity that you can have for the lighting, just like that. And you can either have just plug it in or just use the battery. And this is just like that. And that's all there is to it. Thank you. Hope to see you in here sometime.